I'm going to show you a free method to make money online. And these are some of the results just from one platform that I've made money from doing this particular method. And these are some other people that have followed the strategies that I've shared online. Guy here has posted his results as well in this Facebook post. And in this free tutorial, we're going to speed run this. And I'm going to show you exactly how fast it is to actually get all of this set up and prove to you how simple this is. And I'm going to give you something that you can import with one single click that is going to make this very fast to set up. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make money online with this free method. All right, guys, I get asked this all the time. Can you make money online for free? Yes, you actually can. So I'm going to show you in this video step by step. You need to actually follow these steps. Follow the steps. Follow what I tell you. Okay, I've made a significant amount online. I know what works, so actually follow what I tell you. There's 3 steps to this tutorial, and every single one of them is free. So let's get started. The first step is very simple. We need content. Now, I've actually done this to shortcut the process, but you can do this in any niche. So what you need to do is you need to go to ChatGPT for this. And yes, you can do this on the free version of ChatGPT. There might be some limitations on what you can do, but the free version is completely fine for this. The next step is you want to go to this document right here, and you want to download these 3 images or 2 of these images. You want to go ahead and plug these into ChatGPT. Now, like I've said, you can do this in any niche. Health, wealth, whatever you like, but we're doing it in this niche just for this tutorial. And you can go ahead and you can get these below. I'll leave a link in the description for these. Now, once you upload them to ChatGPT, you want to tell ChatGPT what to do. I'm going to tell it what to do right now. Give me different versions of these images, change the design, but keep the concept the same. Give me one version, different version of each single image to start. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be giving ChatGPT the task to give me different versions of these images. And then once they're done, we'll come back. All right, so ChatGPT is going to replicate some of these into a little bit of a different style, but I did actually think these are a little bit too similar to what I did before. And they also made it make another style and then another little style right here. And now it's actually editing one of the images. So all you do is you click on an image and you tell it what you want to do. If you want it to recreate that image in a different style, maybe add some more stuff in. I can see here it missed the date. But the point of this is I've given you images to feed into ChatGPT, and then you can actually use that to go ahead and create your own style of image. This is going to be your content, right? So now while this is doing its thing, I'll show you the next step. The next thing you want to do, just to remember, we're just creating the content for now. We'll come back to this in a second. The next thing you want to do is we want to go back to here and we want to go to the next step, which is importing a funnel, which I have for you. You can actually get this, and yes, you can do all of this for free. You go back to this document right here and you click on this little button and it's going to import what you need for free. And yes, this is free. They have a completely free plan, not a free trial, a free plan that you can use. Once you've imported it, you want to go into your dashboard, and it's going to hopefully, once you've signed up, it's going to be in your sales funnels area. And this is it right here. And this is what you're going to have. So once this is imported, we're then ready for the next step. There are instructions on how to do that in this document. Now we're going to go back and check our Bitcoin thing, and look at that. It's made another really nice version for us that we can use. So you can simply keep repeating the process over and over again to create your content. The next thing we need to do is we need to create an ebook cover. This is really easy to do. I'll do it right now on this video. Now create me an ebook cover for my book, which is called Bitcoin for Beginners and How to Grow Your Bitcoin. Easy. I just told it to now create me an ebook cover, and I'll explain to you exactly why you want to do that. Once you have imported your system funnel in here, I've actually already uploaded a cover, so we don't need one. I just want to show you how to do it. We're going to go to View Funnel. And this is exactly what it looks like. We are going to create something for people to download for free. I'll show you how to do that in a second, but this is all set up, ready to go. So when someone puts an email in, it simply takes us to the next page and it's all set up. However, there is one thing we need to do, and that is to set up some emails, which unfortunately we can't import from this software. So now we're getting into a little bit more technical stuff, and this is the email that we have here, but you also want to go ahead and create your own ebook so you can give that away for free. Now, I might put my ebook in here. I don't know yet. It could be a link. There might not be, because I'd rather actually teach you guys how to create this stuff yourself rather than me holding your hand every single step of the way. Now, the book that we're going to be giving away, we're giving it away for free. It does not need to be good whatsoever. It's a free book, so it does not matter, okay? And what we're doing is we're creating a system where someone goes to a specific page here, they put in their details, and they get this free book that we're going to send them. You might be thinking, how do we make money? I'll show you that in a second. All right, so this is the book cover that we made, but I actually made one for you, so it doesn't matter where is it, it's right here. What you want to do is take a snapshot of this right here, or maybe if you edit it, whatever you want in there, go back to ChatGPT, upload that to ChatGPT, make me a book on Bitcoins for beginners, and also add this in as well and talk about these 3 bullet points. This is now going to make us a super simple book that we can give away for free. Like I said, this is a free book. Doesn't need to be the greatest book in the world. However, I would recommend you do some editing and stuff as well, but we're going to just let it do its thing. Okay, it hasn't done the book, so we're going to say, please write me the ebook. Let's see if it'll write us the ebook. And that's all we need. We don't need anything fancy or anything like that. We just need it to write the ebook for us. Make sure you have a clean document up, because you're going to need that. All right, so it's actually written us an ebook. Now, this is not the best ebook in the world. You might want to do it a couple of times to actually get a nice ebook that you're comfortable with actually sending to people. But starting off, this is just going to be fine. This is going to be perfect. Paste it into here. And then the next step, what you want to do is edit this, go through, fix up any spelling mistakes, take out these weird things that AI put in there. You want to go to here. You want to go to export, download, PDF document, and then you want to go and upload that to Google Drive or somewhere where people can actually download that from. The next step, we need to go ahead and just do one simple thing on this funnel, and that's basically set up an email automation system. If you go to the document below, I have the first email here that you can actually use. Once we've set that up, I'll show you how you can actually make money with this. So the next step is we want to go to here. We want to go to automations. We want to go to workflows, okay? Inside workflows, I've actually already created one, but I can't share it. We're going to go to create, and we're going to just name, I'm just going to name this YouTube tutorial, and I'm going to go save, and it's going to make me this here. And then I'm going to make sure this is active. We're going to activate this bad boy. We're going to click on here. And the first thing we're going to do is this is going to be an email sequence that people are going to go through, and we're going to make money. We want to create our first trigger. Okay, and that first trigger is going to be simple. It is going to be, this occurs when someone subscribes from a form, and we're going to pick that form, and that form is going to be YouTube book or whatever you've named it, basically the funnel that we had set up before. And then we're going to go YouTube book again, and we're going to go to create. The next thing, we're going to actually go and send out an email. So I'm going to go action. And then what we want to do is we want to send out an email, send an email. We want to go here, and we want to, well, you probably don't have one, so go create new email, go back to this document, copy all of this text into here, and this is just a free book that we're giving away. Once again, it doesn't need to be crazy good. Free book here. This is a subject line. You can make your own, and we're going to go ahead and paste it in here. And then what you would do is where it says download here, you would go ahead and you would take that ebook that you have created and you would post it in here. So people can download that for free. So you'll post in like your little link wherever you uploaded it. So you would have uploaded it and you'll put it into here. And then you'll click this little icon here and you can paste it into here. And then all you do is click save. And then what that's going to do is now add it to the workflow. We've now added that email to the workflow. Now, let me just give you a little trick. We can send this twice. We're going to go delay. We're going to delay this for 1 hour. And then if someone has not, so we're going to go action. So we're going to go decision, and we're going to go filter, and we're going to go someone has opened the email, and we're going to go free book here. The name of the email, create. If they have not opened it, we can simply go to action. We can then send another email, send an email. We can send that same email again to people who have not opened it. And then people who have opened it, we can send them somewhere else. So now I'm going to go to exit, and that's all set up. So when someone comes into my book, they're going to now get sent these emails, and they're going to get that book. But how do we actually make money with this? So you have gone ahead and you've imported the funnel, everything that you need. You've gone ahead and set up the email so the person gets the free book. What is the next step? How do we actually make money with this? Well, let me show you. We first need to go ahead and set up one more thing real quick. And that is basically, we're going to leave this open, go back to the system website. We need to go back to that funnel. So go to here, go to sites, sales funnel, go back to YouTube book, and then go to the thank you page, and then go. Now, this is all set up, guys, so it should automatically go to the thank you page. You don't need to do any of that when they sign up. Now we're going to go to edit the page, and you'll see these two things right here. Training 1 and Training 2. You're going to go to a website called digistore24.com, or you can go to something like ClickBank. What we're going to do is we're going to go into here and we're going to put crypto or health, wealth, into drop shipping, like, drop shipping products and things like that, like whatever, or drop shipping course. You need to find a product where you're going to make a commission. And I recommend funding 2 products instead of 1. This one here, it pays out $132 per sale. We just go to promote. We're going to get a custom affiliate link. We copy this affiliate link. We go into here and we go to here and we put this into here and we go to here and we basically type that link in. So there's a free training that people can do. We could change the color actually on that one to like a blue. Okay, training 1, all done. We go now back to here again and we find another crypto thing. This one here, Smart Crypto, $316 per commission. Okay, now that's a request, so you can request your link if you want. But so what we'll do is, since this one here is 2,000, that's crazy. But we'll just, that's the same one. What we'll do is we'll find one crypto here. This is $600, so we'll just promote this, confirm, and then we'll go back to here, and then we'll post this into here, do the same thing, make that blue, and then we'll go ahead and put our link in here. So what's going to happen is we're going to send people that free book, okay? However, when they go to this page, once they put their email in, it says, thanks, the free book is on the way to your email. What's next? You might like this training below. Awesome, okay? So now we've gone ahead and given people an option where we can make money from, okay? Cool. Now we can actually make more money from this stuff, and I'll talk about that in a second, but you might be now wondering, how do we actually get traffic to this page right here? So click save, and then go back to this YouTube page here. We now need to send people to this page right here. Remember, this crypto niche is just an example. You can do this in any niche, make money, health, fitness, whatever you like. What we need to do now is get traffic. And the best way for this specific one is with Instagram. And to prove that it works, I went and posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos, and I got 11 followers by posting just 7 videos. This is my account right here. I own this account. If we go to this Instagram right here, they are posting the same type of content. Look at this. You can make this with AI. If we go to this one here, the exact same thing. You can make this stuff with AI. If we go to here, you can see this one here. You can make this type of content with ChatGPT. If we go to here, you can simply do a YouTube channel, an Instagram channel, just like this, and you can do the same type of content these guys are doing. ChatGPT will make you content like this, and don't copy them, but do a similar style, 1,000 likes. Okay, this one here, 700 likes. This one here, 800 likes. This one here, 300 likes. We know that these guys are getting followers, 200,000 followers, and they're making money and getting content from this content. Here's another one, the exact same thing. Here's another one, the exact same thing. So I don't want to hear any excuses like this doesn't work. This works. So now what can we actually do? You want to start an Instagram account and you want to be posting all the time, every single day. You want to be posting, and then you want to take this page right here and you want to put it into the description, okay? Into the link part, okay? Into the link part here. They don't have one. Silly. They could be making so much money. Into the link part right here. They don't have one either. Wow, crazy. Leaving money on the table. This one here, a link right here. So now how do you actually make more money? What you can do is you can go ahead and you can take one of these programs and you can ask ChatGPT to write you a sales email for that specific program. And then you can build out your sequence and you can put more emails in, more emails in, more emails in, more emails in. I have emails in one of my accounts that goes for 90 days every single day promoting products. That's how you make money online. That's how you do it with a free method. I've given you everything you need to know to do this. Click the link in the description. It will take you to this and you can do this method and get started to make money online. I'll see you guys in the next video. And honestly, you have to just keep going. If you've made it this far to make money with this method, the most important thing is content. Keep posting content. I'll see you guys in the next video.